Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Fine.
Ma'am.
Okay, so children, last class we started new topic, chapter 9.2, conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. So we learned proper fraction, improper, and mixed fraction. So who can give me what is proper fraction? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Prarthana.
Fraction having the numerator less than the denominator is called proper fraction.
Very good. So those two children who were not there in the last class, please listen while your friends are saying the answers. So what is proper fraction, children? If the numerator is less than or smaller than the denominator, such fractions are called proper. Okay. Now, what is improper? Yes, Catherine?
Fractions that's having the numerators greater than the denominator.
Yes, fractions with numerators greater than. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes, numerator will be greater. Such fractions are called improper fractions. Improper fractions. And children, we discussed what is mixed fraction. Yes, Janvi, ready? Mixed fraction?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Whole number and proper fraction.
Proper fraction. It is the fractions with or fractions having a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper means what? We already discussed. What is that? Numerator will be smaller than the denominator. So children, so you understood what is proper, improper, and mixed fraction. So what is proper? Numerator will be smaller than the denominator, and if the numerator is greater, such fractions are improper. And mixed fractions means a whole number and a proper fraction will be there. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will write some fractions here on the board. And children, those children I'm calling, they have to tell me what is that. Is this example for? Is it for proper, improper, and mixed fraction?
Excuse
So,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Should
Yes,
we
Catherine.
want to write?
Huh?
We want to write?
No need. No need. Okay. Just listen. So here, I will write here 1 by 3. So, yes, Aditri, can you tell me which fraction is this 1 by 3? Yes? Aditri, can you hear me? No, Sri Rugda, can you tell me what is this? Which?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction, very good. Why here this is proper? Proper means the numerator is small and the denominator is greater or big. So such fractions are called proper fractions. Okay. Now, Hazel Joby, did you understand what is proper? Means the numerator will be smaller. So can you give me one example for improper? Improper will be opposite. We discussed already. Numerator will be greater. So can you give me one example?
4 by 3.
4 by
3.
3. Very good. Improper. Why this is improper, children? Because here the numerator is greater. Numerator is greater. Okay. So here, Atharu, can you give me one example for mixed fraction?
Can you hear me?
Ah, yes, I can hear you. Example for mixed.
7 of 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, 4.
Hmm.
7 by 3.
4 and
7 by 3.
7 by
3.
4 is correct, my dear. 4 is correct. Can I write 4 and 7 by 3, my dear? A whole number and one proper fraction it should be. So how you can change this to make it a proper fraction? Yes,
3 by 7.
we can write 4 and
3 by 7.
3 by 7. Yes, very good. 3 by 7. See, 7 by 3, children, we cannot write because that is not a proper fraction. Mixed fraction means we should have a number, whole number, and a proper fraction. Understood? So what is the proper fraction, children? If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, such fractions are called proper. And what about improper? Numerator will be greater. And what about mixed fraction? It will be a combination, or it will be a fraction having a whole number and a proper fraction. Clear? So we were discussing the definition and the examples. Okay, children, is that clear? Is there anyone having doubt about proper, improper, and mixed? No. So now, children, what we are going to do? We are going to convert. We are going to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, so let me see who have given here the improper fraction. Let me see that example. Here you have given me the 1 minute, my 1 minute. So why it's not moving? Okay, here we have written proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So 5 by 2. What is this fraction, children?
Improper.
Proper fraction.
Yes,
Proper.
improper fraction. Improper means what is that? Numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So now, children, we are going to convert improper to mixed fraction. Please listen how we are going to do that. Improper fraction. So what is 5 by 2? What do we have to do? We have to divide. 5 is the numerator. Divide by the denominator. So children, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, what we have to do? Divide. We will divide 5 by 2. Just write 5 divided by 2. Is that clear? To convert improper to mixed fraction, we need to just divide. Okay? Divide the numerator 5 by the denominator. Now, can you tell me, division we have studied. Yes, children, we know what is quotient, what is remainder. The answer in the division is the quotient, and the remainder also we know. So divide and tell me, how many times 2 can be taken from 5? 2 times. Yes, 2 2s are 4. And what is the remainder?
1.
So children, I will write here the quotient is here. That is
2.
quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. And the divisor
2.
also here 2.
2.
Yes, children. Divisor 2. Is there any doubt here?
Ma'am, we should now write this as
Remainder. And children, always you have to check whether your division is correct or wrong. Always take the remainder. It will be less than the divisor. Yes. Always the remainder will be smaller than the divisor. Then only our division will be correct. Okay. So here you check whether your remainder is smaller than the divisor. Yes.
yes.
Have here 1 and it is smaller than the divisor 2. Yes, children. So what is here? Quotient 2 and the remainder is 1 and the divisor is 2. Now check how we are going to write this into mixed fraction. So the quotient is 2 that you will write as the whole number. Okay. The quotient will be the whole number and the remainder you will write as the numerator of the proper fraction, and write here below divisor. So check again what we have done. Quotient will be the whole number. Remainder R will be the numerator, and here denominator will be the same denominator here, that is 2, or you can write the divisor. Okay. So I will explain with one more example. 7 divided by 2. So children, I'm going to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, I'm going to convert this into mixed fraction. So what I had to do? Just what I had to do?
Divide.
7 divided by 2. That is written here. Just divide. Okay, now to give me the answer. How many times 2 can be taken from 7?
3 2s are 6.
Yes, very good. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And what is the remainder here?
1.
1. Now check our division is correct or wrong. This 1 is smaller than the divisor. Okay. So children, tell me what is the quotient?
3.
3. What is the remainder? R?
1.
1. And the divisor?
2.
2. So how we are going to write the mixed fraction? The quotient will be the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator. And the divisor will be. So children, 7 by 2 means what? 3.5. Understood? 7 by 2 is equal to the improper fraction. 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5. Okay. Now we will do one more question. That is 11 by 2. 11 divided by 2. Children, please try to take your rough book and do alone. 11 by 2. So to convert, all of you please, what you have to do? Take your rough book. 11 divided by 2. Find out the division first. 11 divided by 2.
I'm finished.
Wait. So children, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we just need to divide. The numerator will be inside. You know that how to write this long division form. Then you have to write here what is the quotient equal to. Then the remainder R is equal to. Then the divisor D is equal to. Okay, how many times 2 can be taken?
5. 5.
How many times?
5 times. 5.
Okay, 5 2s are
10.
10. So what is the quotient here?
1.
1.
Quotient.
5.
5. Yes. Remainder?
1.
1. And what about the divisor? No, denominator. Divisor. Okay, denominator also. That's okay. Now, children, how we will write the mixed fraction? The quotient.
The whole number.
The whole remainder R will be the numerator. Denominator will be the divisor. So how we can write 11 by 2? It is equal to 5.5. 5.5. Is that clear, children? Yes?
ma'am.
To convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we just need to divide. Okay. And the quotient will be the whole number. Yes. That quotient will be the whole number. And the remainder will be the numerator. And that divisor will be the denominator. So can I give you a little more bigger question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 37 divided by 6.
Ma'am, 37 divided by 6.
Huh?
37 divided by 6.
I will write it here now. 37 divided by 6. 37 divided by 6. So what you have to do, you know, you just need to divide. How many times 6? Don't say the answer now. How many times 6 can be taken from 37? Find out. How many times 6 can be taken from 37? Then write down the quotient is equal to remainder R is equal to then the divisor. Divisor you know already, that is given 6. Yes, in the question it is there. Divisor is 6. Have you completed, children? How many times?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
6 times.
6 6 are 36.
36. Yes, ma'am. 6 6 are 36.
6 into 6, that is 36. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the remainder here?
1.
So you can write here the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 1. How will you write that 37 by 6 equal to? What is the quotient? That is the
6 1 by 6.
Then
Whole number. 1
1 by 6.
numerator.
very good. 1 by 6
Denominator.
is the whole number. That is the quotient. Then you will write the remainder 1 as the numerator. Look here, we are writing this in the numerator and the denominator will be the divisor. Did you get the answer? Is there anybody got mistake, children, here?
No, ma'am.
All of you got correct answer?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So children, what we were doing, we were converting improper to mixed. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the opposite. From the mixed, we are going to back to improper. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you will get the same answer, children, because you converted improper to mixed. Now you are going back from mixed to improper. Yes. So listen how we can do that. With the same examples, we will start doing that. Okay, we have started from here, I think. Yes. You can see here 5 and 1 by 2. No, 5 divided by 2, you got the mixed fraction as 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now from this 2 and 1 by 2, you are going back to the improper fraction. Listen how we are going to do that. Now children, you have 2 and 1 by 2, that is the mixed fraction. To convert back to improper, what we have to do, listen carefully. You have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. Multiply. Okay, what we have to do? Multiply the whole number and the denominator. What is 2 times 2?
4.
Then you have to add. What do you have to add? The numerator. So 4 plus 1. 5. And write the denominator. There is no change. Write the same denominator. So what is 4 plus 1?
5 by 2.
5 by 2 again. So children, remember what we have done? You have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. And you have to add the
Numerator.
numerator. Listen here how we have done this. 3 and 1 by 2. Children, what we had to do? 3 and 1 by 2. First, you have to multiply what? The whole number, 3 and the denominator. Yes? What is 3?
6.
Add the numerator. 6 plus 1 by the same denominator. What is 6 plus 1?
7.
7. You got
7 by 2.
7 by 2.
yes, 7 by 2. Yes, children, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
We have to do here to go back from mixed fraction to improper. What do you have to do? Just multiply the whole number and the denominator. Whole number and the denominator. Then add the numerator. Yes. Now check that 11 by 2. We got, you will check that again alone. What is we have done? 11 by 2. We got here 5.5. So what do you have to do, children? You will multiply 5 2s are 10 plus 1. What is 5 2s are?
5 2s are 10.
10. 10 plus 1 by 2.
11 by 2.
11 by 2.
So your answer is in your hand and you are checking whether you are getting that. Yes, children. So next one, check again. 6 times 6. 6 times 6?
36.
36 plus
plus 7, 37 by 6.
37. Yes. 36 plus 1, 37. So can I give you one question? You will do, what you will do? You will convert from mixed fraction to improper. 12.5. That is a question. 12 and 1 by 2. 12 and 1 by 2. 12 and 1 by 2. What you are going to do? From this mixed fraction, you are going to convert into improper. So remember what you have to do? You have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. Then you have to add. See children, this order is very important. You cannot change plus in the here below and multiply up. You cannot change. What do you have to do? You have to okay. Tell me the answer, children. What is 12 twos are? 12 times 2 is 1 divided by 2.
Answer 25.
25 by
12 twos are 24. 24 plus 1?
25.
25 divided by 2. Yes, children, please check whether you got the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
25 divided by 2. Yes, Anne Maria? 25 by 2. Yes. So what do you have to do? Whole number 12. You have to multiply by the denominator 2. Then you have to add the remainder. So, children, what we learned today, we know what is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator will be smaller. Then we know what is improper and mixed fraction. Today we learned how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. To convert improper to mixed fraction, what we have to do? Just divide. Okay, very good. Just divide. And the quotient will be the whole number. The remainder will be the numerator and write the same divisor. That is the denominator. Okay, then to convert mixed fraction to improper, what we have to do? Multiply the whole number and the denominator and add the numerator. Yes, children. So I'll give you 1 or 2 questions that you are going to do now alone. Yes, where you will write? In the rough book. Yes, rough book. Convert. Four and 8 by 13. 4 and 8 by 13 into improper fraction. Improper. Convert 4 and 8 by 13 into improper fraction. Did you get the answer? Four times 13 plus 8.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
By 13. This much time is enough. 13 times 4. What do you got?
Excuse me, ma'am.
140 by 30.
Ma'am, can you please re-explain this?
Can you see here 4 times 13?
Yeah, ma'am.
Multiply and tell me the answer. 13 times 4.
Ma'am, ma'am,
3.
4 threes are. What is 4 into 3? 4 threes are.
ma'am, it's answer 52.
4 threes are. Yes. 12. 1 is carry over. 1 into 4. 4 plus 1. 5. So it will be 52. Add the numerator by 13. So what is the answer? 52 plus 8.
60 by 8.
60 by 13. Okay, so who can explain this for Achyut? We learned here how to convert mixed fraction to improper. Who can explain that? Let me see. Who? Yes, Amaya? We have 1 minute. What is the question? You have to convert mixed fraction to improper. Yes, Samaya.
First, we should multiply the whole number and the denominator.
Yes.
The answer we got when we multiply it.
No need, my dear, with the same example. Just say the process. Okay, you said whole number and the denominator. We should multiply. Very good. And after that, what we have to do?
After that, we should add the numerator.
Numerator. Very good. Yes, Achut. What's the doubt here? You have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. Then add the numerator. Only that much. Denominator will be the same number. Same divisor. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay. So here, children, what we have done here with the same smaller numbers. Please check smaller numbers. That was very easy. 3 2s are. You will multiply the whole number 3 and the denominator. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So you get the answer. The small numbers, it is easy. You have to multiply the whole number and the denominator, then add the numerator. Okay, now children, the improper fraction, how we can convert into mixed? Who can explain that? The improper fraction, how you can convert into mixed fraction? Yes, yes, Adidev, MB.
Ma'am,
Ah.
we should divide the
Very good. We should divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay. Then,
denominator.
ah,
We'll get quotient, remainder, and the divisor.
okay.
Quotient we will write as a whole number. And
Very good. Quotient will be the whole number. Very good. Then,
remainder will be the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator.
very good. So clap for this Adidev and who was that other? Ameya. Yes. So they were explaining to you. So what we had to do, children? They were explaining to you how we can convert improper to mixed and from mixed to improper. Do you understand now, children? Yes. Yes, children. All of you, please take your math workbook. We will do question number 9 and 10 only now. 9 and 10. Athar, can you read question number 9? Page number 31. Page number 31, question number 9.
To convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, we have to dash the numerator by the denominator.
Yes, what we had to do, children? We had to
Divide.
divide. Very good. You have to divide. So, children, we are doing now page number 31. Page number 31. Page number 31. Question number 9. So, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to
Divide.
divide the numerator by the denominator. Numerator by the denominator. So, question number 10, children, you have to convert 12. Question number 10. Convert 12 and 3 by 5 into mixed fraction. Please try to do alone. No need to write the steps. Just find out the answer and write. What do you have to do? Convert this mixed
Excuse
fraction
me, ma'am.
improper. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It's written convert it to it's improper fraction. You said mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction is given. It is given in mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Somebody said something else.
Yes,
Excuse me.
Catherine.
Ma'am, we should write first 12, 3 by 5 is equal. That we have to write
If
first.
you write also no problem. If you don't write also no problem. If you write the question equal to, then you also you can write the answer. Okay, because this is very short answer. No need of steps.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you share the screen?
I will share the screen. Just write down the answer. This no need of any steps, children, because this is very short answer. You can do it now. Okay, so children, what's the answer? Yes, what's the answer?
60 by 5.
12
by
times
5.
5 is 60. 60 plus 3?
63.
63 by 5. You just need to write like this, okay? So we can write, if you write the step like this, 12 times 5, 60 plus 3. That's also correct, no problem. 60 plus 3 equal to 63 by 5. Okay? So children, I have sent the notes of this 9.2, only the definitions. I have sent improper, proper and mixed fraction with examples. You have to complete that in your math notebook, and I will send the steps like this with examples, how to convert mixed fractions to improper and improper to mixed fraction. Study and do that again in your book. Just no need to copy, you have to do that again to your math notebook. Okay, I will send how to convert mixed fractions to improper and improper to mixed fractions. That also you have to complete to your math notebook. Is it clear, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, already the definitions I have sent already that you can complete. After that, the steps, how to convert mixed and to improper and improper to mixed, you can complete that also. Okay, children, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
And